That's the formal dining table. It's currently accommodating 16 people. This is designed by Timothy Alton, beautiful and super sleek.
I mean, I looked first up at the chandelier. I assume it's by the same designers over there because these are absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
I love this stone and the way that this piece of art is built into the wall like this. Also how there's different sitting areas, different entertaining areas, different dining areas.
There's so many moments in this house.
Yeah.
It looks super important, right? You feel like, you know,
I think everything in this house makes you look super important.
like a king.
This makes me feel super hungry. And natural light, look at this. Like we're walking around and just the way the light captures everything is really beautiful.
So this is a show kitchen. We have a show kitchen and utility one. This is the dining table.
I have to tell you, one of the coolest parts that I have not seen before is the glass separating both kitchens, which by the way, that might be the biggest prep kitchen I've ever seen in my life.
One important thing as well, the owner of this house who built this house actually, he doesn't compromise over quality. So usually in the utility kitchen, you can put any kind of, you know,
Right.
equipment. It's exactly the same.
Just as beautiful, I agree.
Whatever you see here in the show kitchen, you see exactly in the utility kitchen. So you have 9 fridges, 5 here relating to the kitchen, another 4 in the show kitchen.
I mean, this is a big deal. This is Josh's favorite thing in life.
Yeah.
The French fry machine.
The French frying machine, the greatest.
Oh yeah.
I love it.
You sure you don't want a picture of that? Because I have never seen a whole French fry machine, but I sold.
This is definitely up there with some of the best houses that we've ever seen, from California to Dubai to anywhere.
Can I tell you what one of my favorite things is, Josh? I've never complimented the ceiling of a house before, but stand here and look up. It's art. I mean, it's unbelievable when you look up.
Even the finishes when it comes to the light fixtures, how you turn them all on over here. I've never seen this before.
Nope.
It's very unique, very
Yeah, it's super sleek as well.
cool. Yeah.
Look at this staircase. That
Nice.
looks like a piece of art in itself.
This is a special feature, I need to highlight it.
You have to.
This is, you can see the cables, it's coming all the way from the basement, all the way to the rooftop, connecting all the 4 floors.
These are one piece.
It's all one piece.
So how much is the villa?
This is $29 million.
See, I feel like that's cheap for what we see globally. I feel like that's not expensive at all for what this is.
Believe me, I tell you, look, Dubai has seen significant growth with its population for the last 20 years, increasing by 170% between 2000 and 2023. I've seen a lot of houses, you know, in this market. A lot of beautiful homes has been built, whether for living or for investments. However, in comparison to this villa, there is almost no developer that can match our level of craftsmanship and customization.